Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to handle returns and refunds on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see at the top side of the screen, we have the search bar, where you can go and search for anything that of course you want. Also in the top right corner, we have the sell now, we have the messages, we have the likes, and of course here we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and handle returns and refunds on Depop. So guys, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So first of all, communicate with the buyer. If a buyer requests a return, first discuss the issue with them to understand the reason for the return. Then ask the buyer to return the item using track shipping. This helps both parties keep track of the return process. Then log into Depop and go to your profile. Tap on all sold items, which you can go and click here on your profile. And here you can see the sold items. Here, as you can see, the sold items. Select the transaction you want to refund. Tap refund, of course. You will have some of the sold items here. At the moment, I don't have any. That's why this is empty for me. Then, of course, ensure funds availability, refund fees, and an unsued shipping label. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.